Hello everyone, today we are doing Vaca Frita 3 ways. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Let's get started. Okay, I am very excited. We're gonna start with the most important meal of the day, breakfast. Let's get started by making the waffle hash brown potato thingy. We have our waffle maker. If you don't have a waffle maker, you could always just buy hash browns or make hash browns and put them on a pan, sear them. I'm just doing this for, the video, but you could just make regular hash browns, it's fine. We have our hash brown, basic seasoning, season to taste. Some pepper, some garlic, salt, very important, salt. A little olive oil to put in here so it can cook within. Spray this, spray that, we don't want it sticking. So now we're gonna shove this in here as best we can. All right. It's ready. It smells good. Can you smell it? Maybe. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. Everybody, it's happening. It's happening. Hash brown waffle. Now I like to add pickled onions to my Vaca Frita breakfast dish. You can always buy it in a bottle, but I'm going to show you a quick recipe to do it real quick at home. Why am I wearing a glove? Well, I'm wearing a glove because I just took a shower and I don't want my hands to smell. You can do the pickled onions with simple ingredients. You need kosher salt, apple cider vinegar, water, sugar, and if you want to add something to it to give it a little spice, you could do crushed red pepper, or you could add another kind of sweetener, or in this case I'm going to use some Trini spicy maple syrup. Let's thinly slice it. Thin, 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 thin. We have 1 cup of water, simple enough. 1.5 teaspoons of salt. There we go. We're gonna add 1/2 cup of apple cider. The maple syrup, spicy. Add as much as you'd like. I'm gonna add about that much. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir it up, little darling. Ta-da! And now we're gonna throw these puppies in there. Let them sit for about an hour. All right, let's put everything together now. First things first, let's check on our pickled onions. You're getting there, you're getting there. It may not be ready for the final presentation for you, but you get the idea. Yes, ladies, please do this for your man. He's going to be very happy. You are going to be very happy to make him happy. Okay, we have our Vaca Frita on top of our hash brown waffle. I'm going to go get my egg. Let's put that on top there. Let's get our pickled onions. You can top it off with a little chive. There you have it. Your breakfast Vaca Frita hash brown waffle. Let's move on to lunch. Now one of my favorite things, I'm going to show you how to make my Vaca Frita roll with our leftover Vaca Frita and some grilled onions. You can do it with a spring roll, you can do it with an egg roll. It's one of my favorite things to do and it's very simple. It may be a little time consuming, but if you're just making a couple, it's perfect. All you need is some water and flour mixed together so you can kind of bind this together. Now, I'm going to lay this out right here. Ta-da! Grab a little bit of the Vaca Frita. You can chop it up or grind it more if you want. Now, we're gonna roll it up here. Do not be afraid to roll it up. The tighter it is, the better it is. So squeeze it together, roll it up. You can practice doing it really tight. If it breaks, it breaks. You grab another one, but you at least get comfortable with wrapping it. Fold it in, fold this side in, press down and squeeze in so you can roll it up. Then you get your flour and water. Spread it on so you can bind it a little bit. Keep rolling. And you are done. You almost want to eat it like this. Who's ready? Let's give it a go. I'm excited, that looks beautiful. You could always deep fry them. I like to just put them, roll them over. If you make these fresh, you obviously don't have to worry about cooking it thoroughly because the Vaca Frita was already cooked. So you just want to get a nice and toasty outside, and then maybe make a nice delicious sauce that you can dip it in. Look at this, these look fantastic. All right, let's cut one of these puppies up for you. I made a little sauce for it. You can make a sauce out of anything. I recommend for this in particular, you can have sour cream with some chive and some lime. Just mix it up a little bit and you have a fantastic little refreshing sauce to go with the full flavor of the Vaca Frita. You are gonna love this. This is really good. Easy to make. Fun to make, actually. Just gotta wrap it correctly. Try it. You're gonna thank me, I promise you. This is really good. Let's get started on our last and final dish. 2 fresh fried Tostones here that are still very hot. We're gonna put our Vaca Frita on top. Some fresh pico. We have some queso fresco that we can sprinkle on top. You could always drizzle it with some sauce. Focus faster. This is still hot.
There you go. Now take a bite.
Ooh, I can take a bite?
Yeah.
I can take a bite? Very easy to eat. All right, here you have it, folks. You have breakfast or lunch or dinner or appetizer. They all work any which way. You have your Vaca Frita Rolls. You have your hash brown potato waffle topped with Vaca Frita and egg and pickled onions. You have your Tostone with fresh pico and fresh cheese topped on top. This is all making me very hungry. I can't wait to eat. Please remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment, all that good stuff. This is Ernie, Miami Food Family. That's Sophie behind the camera. I will see you next time. Thank you very much.